In this video, I'm going to show you 4 different ways that you can make money using PayPal. Now, the methods that I'm going to cover in this video can make you anywhere between a couple dollars per day and thousands of dollars per day. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how you can do it step by step. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who's helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so PayPal is a really good opportunity to make money. It's available in multiple countries. I think it's available just about everywhere around the world, and so that gives you an opportunity to work with multiple different people. Now, I've used PayPal in a few different ways throughout my career as an internet entrepreneur, and so I'm going to share those ways with you. Now, the first and probably my favorite way is actually with affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is simply connecting a solution to a problem. For example, here, I want to show you my YouTube channel. It's called Web Hosting Rewind. It's one of my side projects that I have. This channel only has 63 subscribers, but I simply create content showing people how to start a blog. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, how does this channel make money if it's not monetized by YouTube? It's actually monetized with a web hosting company called Bluehost. So, for example, if I open this up and I'm just going to pause this, if we look at the description of my videos, you can see there are links out to different affiliate companies that I work with, that I've partnered with. So, the first one here you can see is Bluehost. If people were to click on this link and purchase web hosting, I can earn a commission. You can see that I have 4 or 5 different affiliate links down here that can actually help me make money. And the cool thing with affiliate marketing is that there are tons of opportunities. You don't just have to focus on web hosting. It can be anything from Amazon products. It can be, ClickFunnels, eBay. There's just tons of opportunity out there. But the cool thing is, and the reason why I really like this, is you can create this content once and it's going to stay on the internet forever as long as you keep your YouTube channel. So this can be a really cool way to start making income, and you actually receive payouts via PayPal. For example, if we go over to bluehost.com, Bluehost like that, you can see that they will actually pay you out with PayPal payments. If we scroll all the way down here to the bottom of the screen, you're going to see become an affiliate or affiliates like this, and you can sign up to become an affiliate. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I have the first link in the description will actually teach you about affiliate marketing step by step. But you can see that this is an incredible opportunity because you're simply going to create content where you're solving a problem. And then if they need additional help, if they need the additional assistance, you can link them over to any type of product or service. But my favorite way is with affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing, you can make anywhere from a couple dollars per day to thousands of dollars per day recommending different products. For example, with Bluehost affiliate program, you start off making $65 per sale, but then you get bumped up to $100, and sometimes they even have specials where they'll give you $110 or more if you are selling or promoting their product and earning commissions. But you can see this is a cool opportunity. Another way that you can make money is actually selling your own digital products. Now, selling a digital product is actually really easy. Once again, you're simply going to connect a solution to a problem, and there are thousands of problems out there. People want to maybe learn how to basket weave, or they want to learn how to grow their business on different social media platforms. For example, here, this is my course. It's called the 60-Second Business Blueprint, where I show people how to grow a business and start making money on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, all of the short video formats out there, and I can get paid with PayPal. As you can see, this is a simple landing page. You can actually do this with something like ClickFunnels, or you could actually do this with WordPress as well, and then you just create content to help solve a problem. Again, there are millions, if not billions of problems out there. You simply create a course. It can be a blueprint. This is a 43-page blueprint. You can create an audiobook, you can create an ebook, and basically sell it. Now, if you don't want to do the selling yourself, there are other websites out there that'll actually sell it. Another option is you can actually sell stuff through Etsy. For example, if we go to etsy.com like this, and we can just type in printable, and you're going to see there are tons of different printables that people are looking up. For example, I just typed in printable, and you can see everything from wall art to planners, stickers, calendar, cards, to Valentine's Day. You simply figure out what your audience needs. You create that type of product or service, and then you can make money. So for example, if we take a look at printable Valentines, you can make these with Canva, or you can hire somebody to do it, and then you post these on different sites, and you have the opportunity, the potential to make money. So uh, selling your own digital products is a really cool opportunity. Another way that you can make money is actually selling a service. Now, what I mean by service is I actually made a decent amount of money. It was actually my first online business venture was building and selling WordPress websites. And so what I would do is I'd work with local businesses, or you can actually work with a website like Thumbtack, and you can find people that need a website built for them. And what I would do is once I secured the contract, I would get half up front, always get half up front. I'd work over with a website like ThemeForce, like this, as you can see here, and I would actually find WordPress themes. I would download these themes, put it on top of their web hosting package, and then just make a few changes, and then just like that, you can make money. Now, the cool thing with this method is you can make anywhere between $300 and $2,500 per day simply building WordPress websites. And if you have enough experience and you've done this long enough, you can actually build these WordPress websites out in about 3 hours. Now, what I would do, like I said, is I would actually ask them, for example, I would say, send me some examples of websites that you like the look and feel of, and they most likely would send me a WordPress website, and I would just plug it into a website that tells you which theme it is. I would go get that same theme, and I would say, tell me what you want on these 5 pages. And so I'd just build out a simple 5-page WordPress website. And just like that, I'd make anywhere between $300 and $2,500 per day with these simple websites. Another way that you can actually make money is with a freelancing site like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour. And here, people have gigs on just about anything. The new thing, the hot opportunity right now is simply creating NFT art. It's also really competitive. But if you come up here and you have knowledge or skill in any of these areas, you have the opportunity to make money. For example, let's take a look at blockchain and cryptocurrency. It is really popular, really hot right now. And you can see there are 14,000 services available for blockchain and cryptocurrency. And that's actually not that competitive. But what you can do, if you want to, you can be a freelance writer, you can do email design. There's just tons of opportunity. And you create a gig or a service over on Fiverr. And then what you want to do is you want to go and look at buyer requests and see if you can actually apply to different jobs. When you take a look at the buyer request, that's going to give you a much better opportunity to find low competition gigs and services, and you can start making money much quicker. And I like to just show this example because most people don't understand the power of looking at the buyer request. For example, I typed in WordPress and there's 103,000 services available. So there's 103,000 people that want to build a WordPress website or make some changes or whatever it is. But about a month or two ago, I actually created a request for WordPress website builder. So I'm going to go to manage request. And if we take a look, you're going to see there's less than 100 people that applied to this job. So as you can see down here on July 17th, there are only 50 people that applied to this job. So would you rather compete against 100,000 people, or would you rather just compete against 50 people? Hopefully your answer is 50, but people are making buyer requests for everything from ebook covers, ebook writers. There's all sorts of stuff, making YouTube videos, top 10 videos, all sorts of stuff that you can do over on Fiverr. You don't just have to limit yourself to NFTs or WordPress. You can do a logo design. You can see all of these are different opportunities. So let's quickly recap. Number one is with freelance. This is going to be probably the least profitable way. And then you can also sell a service. You can also sell your own digital products or affiliate marketing. Now, you can use different vehicles to make these sales. For example, you could create a YouTube channel and you can actually get paid out with YouTube as well. And you can sell these other services. So if you want to be a freelance social media manager, you could create content on YouTube showing people how to get started with social media management, and then say, hey, look, if you're not interested in doing this all yourself, I'll actually work with you. I'll bring me aboard and we can actually do this together. And you can see that there's tons of opportunity. Once again, if you are creating WordPress websites for people, create content over on YouTube. For example, we could create content like how to make a WordPress website. As you can see, create content, show them how to do this. And then if they're not interested in going through the process themselves, say, hey, look, if you want to work with me, if you want me to build the WordPress website for you, just enter your email address at the link below and we can set up a time to talk. But you can see there are different types of WordPress websites. So you could say how to enter or how to make a, we'll say like a queue WordPress website or a form website. You can see that there are some opportunities out there to help people build different types of WordPress websites. As you can see here, there is tons of opportunity. and you can get paid via PayPal. Now that you know these 4 ways to make money with PayPal, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.